Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for the Microsoft Edge browser, of course the weekly update that has the security fixes for Chromium. We had talked about the update for Google Chrome, and also this is a reminder that if you're using a browser that is Chromium based like Vivaldi, like Brave and so on, Opera, to check for updates to make sure that you stay safe. Basically anything except Firefox. So go into the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots. You go into Help and Feedback, and you go about Microsoft Edge. You'll be sent to version 145.0.3800.70. So in the description and the blog posts, they say that there's a few bug fixes apparently in there. And there's the Chromium security updates, which were all high severity. So it's important to go and update your browser's first line of defense. I mean, your browser is the window to the world of the internet. So, of course, having it safe, having it fixed from all security flaws is extremely important to make sure that you stay safe, as security flaws that are exploited most of the time, your antivirus absolutely does nothing against that. So check it out and check out your favorite browser. Make sure that you're always up to date to have the best performance and also stay safe online. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.